Here is my homepage to my classroom website that I have been creating all semester in ELRC 2507. I titled it Miss Mary's Classroom. It is going to give you a better understanding to myself, and you'll be able to find my favorite classroom websites, activities, and all my favorite classroom activities, along with my personal activities. Down below is my tech blog, my contact information, and this is where I update my revisions. It's always going to be up to date. If you go to tech blog, you can click it and it will bring you to my blog. Here we have just a little information about myself, my favorite things to do, and a picture of myself. You can go back to my classroom website, and here are all different sections that we will be talking about today. The first section is my biography page. You can click on it and it will take you to this page, and this is just a little bit about myself, and then my experiences with children and my favorite things to do, my free time. I included a photo of myself. The next page is my resource page. And here are my favorite websites for kindergartners. They're all related to animals. That is what, except for Brain Pop, but that is what I was trying to go with. There's a few of them not about animals, but the first few are. They're fun and educational. The next is my favorites section. This is very similar to the research page. It just has a few more websites and a different type of websites that would relate to not only just kindergartners. The other page is mostly just for kindergartners. You can go through and you can click on the website and it will bring you straight to each website if you click on the bolded section. The next is our technology projects. We have our digital story, our PLN and PLE, our website evaluation, and our mobile app. The first, we're going to talk about our digital story. The digital story is a YouTube video I created called Life Cycle of a Butterfly. You can click on it and it will bring you to the YouTube video I created, and you can watch it if you would like. The next is our PLN and PLEs. The first two are our definitions, and one we got from Google, and then we created our own PLN and PLE. And here is a chart with our blogs, creation tools, and microblogs. We included the definitions of those, examples, and a reflection on how we felt about each one. Then the next is our website evaluation. For our website evaluation, we had to give our opinions on a website. I used Discovery Education, and I basically gave my review of it. We had to answer lots of questions, and you can go over and read it if you would like to. And then the last is our mobile app. We were assigned a mobile app, and I was assigned to Homer. Homer is a mobile application that provides the best educational start possible by offering personalized, fun, and proven learning projects for children ages 2 to 8. And I included a slideshow to explain how to use Homer. I put an overview, the basics of it, how to use it in the classroom, the benefits, the challenges, and a video tutorial of Homer. The next is our evaluation section, and we have our Apple Teacher Certification certificate included here. And the last thing is our screencast, and that is what I am doing now. And that is it for my classroom website.